So my Arctic 7 wasn't working, and it turned out the USB connector was loose, so it wasn't receiving any power. So I went in. You can find videos that show how to take it apart. I'll link them at the bottom. I'll also link pin connector examples, and at the end of the video some photos. But basically the red and the black are soldered directly under the board. It's not a pretty job I did, but it works. It's connected to a USB from a God knows how old phone, and it's receiving power. So you can see it's charging, it's connected to the computer. I just have to hopefully find all the screws and reassemble it. And I also had used super glue over the connector points so they don't become loose, and I'm probably going to go even farther with Gorilla Glue so it doesn't become dislodged. Okay. So I honestly didn't think this thing was going to work, so I didn't make it look any better. Probably a black cord, and making it shorter would have been preferable. And I didn't think to feed the cord through beforehand, so I had to cut a little hole. But I've been filling it with super glue, so it'll at least hold together. And I'm probably going to coat it with something, maybe, I don't know, shrink wrap or electrical tape. I'm not really sure. But it works.